Before we get deeper into the pieces and parts of AWS, let's zoom out and get a good working definition of cloud. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. So let's break this down. On-demand delivery indicates that AWS has the resources you need when you need them. You don't need to tell us in advance that you're going to need them. Suddenly you find yourself needing 300 virtual servers? Well, just a few clicks and launch them. Or you need 2,000 terabytes of storage. You don't have to tell us in advance. Just start using the storage you need when you need it. Don't need them anymore, just as quickly you can return them and stop paying immediately. That kind of flexibility is just not possible when you're managing your own data centers. The idea of IT resources is actually a big part of the AWS philosophy. We often get asked why AWS has so many products, and the answer is really simple: because businesses need them. If there are IT elements that are common across a number of businesses, then this is not a differentiator. Take a MySQL database as an example. If your business runs a MySQL database, does your ability to install the MySQL engine make you a better company than your competitors? Well, probably not that. Do you keep backups in a way that makes you superior to other players in your vertical? Again, doubtful. The data inside your database, now that's critically different. The way you build your tables and manage the structures absolutely separates you from the competition. But the engine is just the engine. At AWS, we call that the undifferentiated heavy lifting of IT. Tasks that are common, often repetitive, and ultimately time-consuming. These are the tasks AWS wants to help you with, so you can focus on what makes you unique. Over the internet seems simple enough, but it implies that you can access those resources using a secure web page console or programmatically. No additional contracts or sales calls are needed. With pay-as-you-go pricing, we re-emphasize what we pointed out here in the coffee shop. You don't staff a shop with employees 24 hours a day at the same levels you do during peak hours. In fact, some hours you might not even staff them at all. So why pay for developer environments, for example, on weekends if your developers aren't working on the weekends?